Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn a super cool word, disbursement. Don't worry if you've never heard of it, we'll break it down and you'll totally get it by the end of this video. Let's go! Okay, so what is disbursement? It might sound like a fancy word, but it's really simple. Disbursement means giving out money or paying for something. Imagine if you have a school project and your teacher gives you money to buy supplies. That's a disbursement. The school made a disbursement of $100 to buy art supplies. So in simple words, a disbursement is when money is given away or spent. Cool, right? Let's see a couple more examples so you can really understand how to use it. The company made a disbursement of funds to its employees. After the event, the organizer was responsible for the disbursement of the tickets. My parents gave me a disbursement to buy the new video game I wanted. See how in each example, money or something valuable is being given out? Now, you might be thinking, when should I use this word? You can use disbursement whenever you want to talk about giving out money or paying for something. It's usually used in more formal situations, like in business, schools, or when talking about big money moves. You wouldn't really say it when you're buying a snack at the store. That's too small for the word. But if you were in charge of the school's budget or managing money for a big event, you could use disbursement. All right, quick recap. Disbursement means giving out money or paying for something. You use it when talking about larger amounts of money being spent or given away. Remember, the next time someone gives you money for a trip, a school project, or an event, you can say, "That was a disbursement." Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome English lessons. Drop a comment below if you have any other words you want me to explain. See you next time, and keep learning!